Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone 13 is updated and that Shortcuts is available. This avoids unexpected behavior. Once done, gather the image you want in Photos or Files. A square 180-200 pixel image works well. Next, open Shortcuts, tap the plus to create a new shortcut, add the Open App action, and select the app you plan to restyle. Make sure to name the shortcut clearly so you can find it later. Now focus on the more detailed steps. Tap the three dots in the shortcut editor, then choose Add to Home Screen to open the icon dialog. Tap the icon preview and pick Photo or File. Select your prepared image and crop it so the subject is centered. Edit the home screen name to match or hide text and press Add. The custom icon appears on your home screen as an app shortcut that opens the app you assigned. Finish by arranging the new icon on your home screen. To avoid duplicates, you can move the original app to the app library. Test the shortcut. If you see a shortcuts banner delay, open the shortcut details and turn off Show when run so the app launches instantly. If it still fails, reselect the image, ensure Shortcuts has required permissions, or rebuild the shortcut. These quick checks solve most issues and get your custom icons working smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.